In this episode of Tales from a Whiteboard, we're mapping out morning routines. But we're not just talking about washing your face and brushing your teeth. To get the results you want out of each day, you need to think like a business leader and develop morning habits that motivate you. So we're exploring 4 examples from the business elite: rising early, exercising, eating breakfast, and practicing mindfulness. Rising with or before the sun is proven to help you tackle your day. CEOs around the world agree that getting up early helps them achieve more and stress less. In fact, most rise before 7 a.m. to get their morning routine started. Exercising will jumpstart your day, just like it does for many top leaders in software development. So make time for a brisk walk or hit the gym to get energized and in the zone for work. Especially after exercising, your body needs fuel. Celebrated leaders in real estate, architecture, and more say breakfast truly is the most important meal of the day. And no, coffee alone does not count. Start your day with a protein-rich green smoothie or scrambled eggs and toast to help you stay productive and focused. Finally, a few moments of quiet reflection will help you clear your mind for the day. Influential leaders in wellness, hospitality, and more practice mindfulness each morning through meditation, journaling, or reading. This quiet time boosts concentration, improves focus, and can reduce stress. The biggest names in business practice morning habits that drive productivity, innovation, and a healthy life. We hope these examples have inspired you to do the same, because with a consistent morning routine, you too can approach each day like a boss.